What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Khalida. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I am going to be showing y'all some goodies that I got from Khalida Naturals. She was so gracious enough to send me a package with goodies, and I didn't even ask her to do this, bro. It was so, like, when I came in, I seen the package and it said Khalida Naturals. I'm like, I didn't order nothing, and we didn't talk about PR or anything, and she sent me some stuff. So I was like, oh wow, so how this even came about in the first place. So what happened was my Pattern Beauty brush broke. I've had this brush ever since Pattern has launched. My bad, I'm hot. I need to put my hair up. My hair overstimulates me so fast. Like, I'm not even joking. It's hot. And I know it's because my hair is down. Oh, Jesus. I be needing that off my neck. My hair is like a furnace. I feel so much better. Ooh. I feel so much better. Okay, anyway. I've had this same Pattern Beauty brush since they launched. And it's going, look, the pattern, it's not even on there no more. So yeah, she a little dead, you know what I mean? So she decided to send me this Khalida Naturals brush. Okay, it says Khalida Naturals, and it really looks just like the Pattern Beauty brush, just not a round end. So yeah, I really like this. I'm looking forward to using this on my hair. I just know it's gonna do my curls well. And yeah, I need sturdy, durable brushes, okay? Like, I like that it already just looks nice and sturdy and durable. So yeah, I cannot wait to use this brush. Next, she went ahead and sent me her new and improved edge control. I love Khalida Naturals' old edge control, so I already know this is gonna be great as well. So this is Khalida Naturals Kinky Hair Max Hold Control. Khalida Naturals has 4C hair, so she makes sure her 4C girls are included. I do not have 4C hair. But her edge control is absolutely bomb, and I love it. So, yeah. This is in mango. And it smells just like mango. Mango is one of my favorite fruits. I don't know if Khalida knew that, or if she just, like, you know, sent this randomly, you know, this different scent randomly. But yeah, one of my favorite fruits is mango, and this stuff smells exactly like mango. I am so looking forward to using this edge control, and this isn't even the big size either. I got the travel size version, and I believe her big size is sold out actually. So shout out to her. Okay, shout out to her. Her big size is sold out. So I have the travel size, but this is still a lot of product to be travel size. Yeah. Still a lot of products to be travel size. I also have her other formula. Y'all know the pink brand. She rebranded. But yeah, the pink brand, I really like that. My mom even has her own too, and she uses Khalida Naturals as well. So, but yeah. Next, what she sent me was this, my bad, y'all. It's Thanksgiving. Everybody's winding down, but my neighbors, if you hear my neighbors laughing, like if you can hear them, they still having a little get together outside. So yeah, this is the horsetail, nettle, and pumpkin seed follicle booster. So it boosts growth, stops shedding, and strengthens follicles. So what I use, so I also have her, this is new. I also have her fenugreek rosemary growth tonic water. These are really good, or this is how I use them. I use them as refresher sprays. So when I need to spritz my hair or spritz my twist out, I use this. And also I use this when I am protective styling. When I do mini twists, mini braids, which I haven't done mini braids in such a long time, but when I do mini twists, I like to use these. And they smell really, really good too. They're nice and potent. Love that, love that, love that. So I cannot wait to use this. Yeah. During clinicals, I'm in clinicals for about 5 more months. So when it comes to hair, I'm gonna be doing a lot of protective styling and twist outs and mini twists. So yeah. Next, the top broke in transit, I'm guessing. But this is the Not Today pre-poo with ambunu leaves. Okay, it's effortless detangling and slip. I am gonna put this in a spray bottle because it broke. But this is, it says effortless detangling and slip, deep hydration and moisture retention, scalps. Okay, goddamn. Nobody told your ass to be that motherfucking loud, bitch. Scalp soothing and buildup removal, stronger, shinier, healthier strands. So this is a pre-poo. I've never once used a pre-poo, not a day in my life. But anything that removes buildup, I trust. And this is Khalida Naturals brand, so I trust this down. So yeah, buildup. What stood out to me was deep hydration, moisture retention, scalp soothing, and buildup removal. I don't really have a problem with shine. I don't have a problem with healthier strands. I don't have a problem with detangling either, and I don't really need slip. Because my hair is pretty much, my hair doesn't really like tangle, if that makes sense. Like sometimes it does, but I don't take hours detangling my hair. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to using that. And last but not least, she sent me her hair butter. I've already used this. I've already made videos about it. Her hair butter is absolutely amazing. I really love it so much. So this is the old packaging. This is the old packaging, and this is the new and improved packaging. My girl is really evolving when it comes to her brand, and I love that so much. I have been with her. I have been using her products since I discovered her products. Actually, I use her hair growth oils. I use her grease. She has a wonderful grease that I love till this day. I put my mom on that as well. Her edge control. She went viral actually for her edge control. Then she made the grease, and then she made the hair butter, and she also has shampoo and conditioner. I've showed y'all that as well. But yeah, this hair butter is so good. I've done twist outs with this hair butter multiple times. Really good, really moisturizing, very lightweight. It doesn't leave a sticky film. And yeah, it has aloe vera and baobab. My hair loves those ingredients. If y'all don't know, I used to use My Organics Baobab Deep Conditioner. I had to recently, well, not even recently, since My Organics is no longer black owned, I cut use of all of their products. I haven't used their products. It's been about 3 or 4 years. Yeah, I do not play when it comes to my black owned brands. It like, if you decide to sell your brand or sell your company, off with your head, bitch. You understand what I'm saying? I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck, because when I do my hair videos, I'm talking to black women. I'm talking to black women in general, but specifically when I do hair videos, I'm talking to black women. I have helped so many women keep their hair nice and moisturized and long, you know what I'm saying, or grow their hair long with some of my tips and tricks and the things that I tell y'all to do. So when it comes to hair, I'm talking to black women. And I don't know, some people still use My Organics. That's fine. That's dandy. I love that. But when it comes to me, if you decide to sell your brand or sell your company and you are no longer black owned, that's it. That's it. We've seen so many brands plummet after they have switched. Nobody talks about Carol's daughter anymore. Was it even black owned? I'm not sure. Nobody talks about Carol's daughter Nobody's really checking for Shea Moisture anymore either. You understand what I'm saying? Cantu. I don't even know if Cantu. I don't think Cantu has been. I don't think Cantu is black owned, but Cantu is so bad for your hair. You understand what I'm saying? What's another one? My Organics. Ever since My Organics has changed their formula, ever since My Organics has changed owners, the formula's been trashed and people's hair have been falling out. Y'all hear that? Is somebody talking on a fucking bullhorn? I get it. I understand it's Thanksgiving, but shut the fuck up. Like, what are you talking about here? Like, what are y'all doing? What y'all got going on outside? Like, anyway, moral of the story, I like to stick with brands that are black owned, that will remain black owned. Melanin Hair Care, Pattern Beauty, For You by Tia, Khalida Naturals. What's another one? Bread. What's that? Bread Beauty Supply. I like that too. I like to stick with brands that I know and love, and that will be Luster's Pink. Luster's Pink has been black owned since, I can't even tell you, but Luster's Pink is literally black owned. So it's just like, I don't know. I love to stick with brands that I know are going to remain black owned, and brands that get it. You understand what I'm saying? That care about us. You know? Right. But yeah, anyway, Khalida Naturals hair butter, I love that her brand is evolving. I love that I love that she's rebranding. I love that she's doing other stuff. I love that for her. I love that she's adding other stuff to her website as well, because she didn't always have these brushes. She came out with brushes. She has oils. She has grease. She has edge control. She has everything. You can really get, whatever you need, Khalida Naturals has. You understand what I'm saying? Whatever you need, Khalida Naturals has. Down to protective styling stuff, down to edge control, hair butter, leave-in conditioner, tools. Okay, like, I love her brand so much, and I just feel like she doesn't really get the exposure that is deserved, because she also has alopecia. So when it comes to her business is literally her baby, because she wants to help as many people as she can. Yes, grow their hair, but she also likes helping people that have alopecia. Her stuff is made completely from scratch. She has great ingredients. She even gets ingredients from her country sometimes. And yeah, I don't know, her stuff is just the shit, and I love her so much, and I wish she got more exposure. That girl does not get enough exposure. So I mean, if my videos can incline you to get some stuff from Khalida Naturals, I did my job. You understand what I'm saying? I love her products down. I've been using her products for, I think, about like 3 years now. 3 years, 2 years, something like that. And Khalida Naturals will forever be in my rotation. Love her grease. Her grease is so bomb. Oh my God. Yeah. But I don't want to make this video too long. Khalida Naturals, if you are watching this, thank you so much for sending me my goodies. When you saw my hairbrush broke, you sent me a new one, girl. And that just warms my heart. You understand what I'm saying? I cannot wait to try these products. Well, I already know what this one is. Like, I already know what this one do, but I'm going to give y'all a wash day, so I can twist my hair with this product, so y'all can really see what it do for real. Like I said, I've been using it in the past. This one is pretty much all used up. But yeah, I cannot wait to do videos with these products and use my brush. I cannot wait to use this edge control and test it out. I already know it's gonna be bomb, because the other one was bomb. So yeah, y'all. I'm done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Khalida Treese. Make sure you follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Khalida Treese 98. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.